Water-soluble metalworking fluids have a serious challenge. Bacteria can thrive in these fluids, and this contamination creates unpleasant odours and unstable emulsions. It also reduces the pH level, which can cause corrosion and poor fluid performance. Bactericides prevent this, but they typically contain formaldehyde release agents, harmful biocides that create more problems than they solve. Biocide-free cutting fluids are available, but while these meet stringent health and safety regulations, they could depend on costly additives and frequent maintenance to maintain their performance. Castrol has a better, cost-effective solution. Castrol Hysol and Hysol metalworking fluids formulated with Castrol's XBB technology. They help reduce additive use by up to 90% or more, prolong cutting fluid life, and deliver constant machining performance. And they're formulated without boron or formaldehyde releasing agents. Manufacturers worldwide are already benefiting from the superior performance delivered by Castrol cutting fluids with XBB technology. Castrol XBB has been proven to maintain constant pH longer than standard cutting fluids, while significantly reducing biocide additives and prolonging system life. Castrol water-soluble cutting fluids with XBB technology are available across the automotive, aerospace and machine manufacturing industries and can be used for a wide range of machining processes, including those for cast iron, alloyed steels, titanium and aluminium alloys. There are low foam options for either hard or soft water. These are only some of the ways Castrol XBB cutting fluids can help you strike the right balance between safety, performance and cost. Contact your Castrol lubricant specialist to see how XBB technology can help your business.